magic, a word that conjures images of wizards, spells, and the supernatural. But what if I told you that magic is real, not in the way fantasy stories describe it, but as a psychological, cultural, and perceptual force that shapes our reality in profound ways? Today we'll explore how magic exists, not in the realm of the supernatural, but in the way our minds and societies function. Since the dawn of civilization, humans have believed in magic. From ancient shamans invoking spirits to medieval alchemists searching for the philosopher's stone, magic has been an integral part of human culture. Anthropologists studying societies across the world have found that magical thinking is universal. It appears in rituals, religious ceremonies, and even modern superstitions. A study in current anthropology shows that magical beliefs serve an essential role in human communities, creating cohesion and providing psychological comfort. But why do we believe in magic? The answer lies in our brains. Cognitive science tells us that humans are wired to recognize patterns, even when they don't exist. This tendency, called patternicity, evolved to help us survive. A study in cognition found that when faced with uncertainty, our brains create connections between unrelated events, forming the basis of superstitions and magical beliefs. And it goes even deeper. The Journal of Experimental Psychology reveals that magical thinking can reduce stress, giving people a sense of control in chaotic situations. This is why people turn to rituals before important events, whether it's an athlete wearing lucky socks or someone avoiding stepping on cracks in the sidewalk. Magic also exists in how we perceive the world. Our senses don't just receive reality, they interpret it. Illusions, psychological tricks, and the placebo effect show how easily our minds can be convinced of the impossible. Research in the Lancet Psychiatry found that belief in a treatment, whether real or not, can lead to genuine healing. That's magic at work, not in a supernatural sense, but as a powerful force of human belief shaping our reality. Beyond individual experiences, magic plays a vital role in society. Rituals, ceremonies, and traditions, whether religious or secular, create shared experiences that reinforce social bonds. Studies in Anthropos and the Journal of Ritual Studies show that these practices strengthen communities and provide psychological benefits. The magic isn't in supernatural forces, it's in the power of belief, uniting people through shared purpose and meaning. Magic is even being recognized in modern healthcare. Visualization techniques, guided meditation, and symbolic rituals have real therapeutic effects. Studies in the Journal of Psychosomatic Research reveal that engaging in these practices can reduce anxiety, improve mental health, and even boost physical healing. The mind-body connection, once dismissed as pseudoscience, is now a serious field of study. And then, there's the question of reality itself. Philosophers argue that what we perceive as real is shaped by our experiences. A study in philosophical psychology suggests that subjective reality, the way each person experiences the world, is as valid as any objective measure. If belief in magic changes our perceptions, our emotions, and even our health, then isn't magic in some sense real? Magic is not about casting spells or summoning spirits. It's about perception, belief, and the hidden forces shaping our lives. From psychology to culture, from rituals to the mind's ability to alter reality, Magic is all around us. We just have to open our eyes to see it. If this video cast a spell on you, go ahead and enchant that like button. It helps bring more mysteries to light. And if you want to keep unraveling the secrets of the universe, make sure to subscribe. Think of it as your initiation into the arcane wisdom of this channel. And if you really want to amplify the magic, share this video with a fellow explorer of the strange and extraordinary. Who knows what mysteries we'll uncover next?